Yo guys, Jonathan here. Today got a fun challenge where I'm ditching my phone for an entire day and trying to complete 8 different tasks using nothing but a smartwatch. Specifically, this is the TicWatch Pro 4G LTE, and like that name implies, it packs LTE connectivity. So in the instance like I'm doing today, if you wanted to completely ditch your phone and use nothing but the watch, you can. Now, in the spirit of challenges, I thought it'd be fun to also give one of these away. So if a TicWatch Pro sounds good, drop a comment down below letting me know how you use it. It's not required, but if you're excited to win, drop a like, and huge thanks to Mobvoi for not only sponsoring this video, but the giveaway as well. So about those challenges: 1, I gotta reply to a text or an email. 2, take a call. 3, check the weather using Google Assistant. 4, order an Uber. 5, buy something using Google Pay. 6, use Google Maps. 7, listen to music. And finally, 8, track a workout. And again, all these are using nothing but the smartwatch. Design-wise, this thing is built like a tank. It's stealthy, it's ninja-like. The triple black looks incredible, and this is packed with a ton of features. It's actually the first Wear OS smartwatch with LTE in the US and is powered by Verizon. It packs twice the RAM as the original TicWatch Pro, so navigation across the interface is silky smooth. It's IP68 water and dust resistant, so if you want to get your inner dory on, you're good to go. It is endlessly customizable with watch face after watch face after watch face. You have 24-hour heart monitoring, health tracking, and what I would say is the magic secret ninja trick up its sleeve that no one saw coming is the dual layer display. You have your primary interface, which is powered by Android Wear, but you also have Essential Mode, which engages that secondary display and can extend battery life up to a ridiculous 30 days. With that said though, it is challenge time. So first up, I thought it'd be fun to call an Uber, head to Best Buy, find some new earbuds, connect them to the watch, and then listen to music. Open Uber. Google Assistant doing its thing. Works as advertised. All right, we're gonna set our pickup location. Then we're going to head over to Best Buy. Best Buy. So it's gonna give you a list of close by options. We're gonna select this one, and hopefully within a couple minutes, we will have the Uber and we'll be on our way. So all looks good, the Uber's here. Let's go. So on the way, as we listen to the soothing tunes, slow jams, I gotta confront my guy Dave 2D because he recently exposed me and I gotta see what the deal with that was. Dave 2D.
Using the right 2 lanes.
Yo, why did you expose me and show everyone that I like Windows? Send that off. What's the weather today?
In Pomona today, it'll be partly cloudy with a forecasted high of 96 and a low of 69. Right now it's 87 and mostly sunny.
And what time is it? 87? 11 o'clock in the morning? Oh, I think we gotta...
Continue onto Arrow Highway.
Dave said because it's about time people knew the real TLD. What song is this? Oh, I wanna know what love is.
Quarter mile, make a right turn.
I'm gonna get copyrighted. Who comes to Best Buy at 11 a.m.? Yep. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
So, Uber trip, super smooth, worked like a champ, replied to a text, checked the weather, and update, it is still ridiculously hot. From there though, thought it'd be cool to call Mr. Dave 2D and see if he thought I should pick anything up. I need a gaming mouse?
Yeah.
Okay, what should I pick up?
Pick up the new Razer. I don't know if they have them there yet.
All right.
But the new Razer, like it's called the Razer Viper. It's lit.
Okay.
It's good.
It's lit. Dave 2D. Dave Lee. Officially Dave Lee.
Are you on that phone right now?
Yeah.
On the watch?
How do I sound?
Like surprisingly good. Like how close to put it to your ear?
Right now I'm like Inspector Gadget level, but let me move it away a little bit. All right, Dave, how do I sound now? I can't hear you because you're down by my hip.
Okay. No, it sounded legit before. It
Okay.
actually sounded like not as good as a regular phone,
Right.
but it was like I wouldn't complain.
Got it.
That's actually way better than I thought it'd be. What the? Oh, wow.
Yeah, I think I remember calling Evans from a unnamed smartwatch or something. No, I called Evans from some earbuds, and it was potato quality. So this doesn't sound bad, you say?
No, this is pretty good. Like a solid 7.
7 in Dave's book is pretty damn good. All right, dude.
Pretty solid.
Well, I love you. I miss you. I hope you're doing well. Peace.
You need coffee.
Hey, is it the Viper?
Yeah, Razer Viper.
Okay, they got it. I'm on it. Thank you.
Goodbye.
So I'm in Best Buy. I found the earbuds. I found the lit gaming mouse per Dave 2D. And I'm thinking to myself, it's kind of lame if I just walk in there and buy something for myself. It would be cooler if we did something fun with the watch. And I found my guy, Ryan Ochoa, chilling by the gaming PCs. He was there with his mom and his family, really cool kid. And I thought it'd be fun if we just sent him home with one. You looking for a gaming desktop?
Yeah.
You know what you want yet?
No, I was just looking around. I don't really know a lot about PCs.
What do you have right now?
I have like an old Asus.
Okay. Do you watch Linus Tech Tips?
I think I've heard of them, but
Okay.
I don't really know like a lot. I just started looking into them.
Okay, after this, go watch Linus, go watch Dave 2D. So they would probably tell you to build a PC.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of
But
PCs.
we can look at the gaming PCs if you want to check it out. I'm gonna call Evans. I know you're gonna tell me to build a PC.
Hello again, Austin.
Yeah.
What's the best gaming desktop we should buy right now?
That I have in
Gaming
stock,
desktop?
or what that I can order?
I mean,
In
there's
stock.
laptops.
stock,
I don't know.
probably be
Actually,
that guy
I
over
will
there
say
with
that
the
I was at Best Buy
2080.
the other day.
Oh, you have a
I did see
2080?
Verizon system, but I don't actually know what they really keep in stock. We've only found a couple of decent like systems ever. It's very dependent on like the sales and stuff.
Got it.
I got you.
Whoa, we got you. We got a 2080 apparently.
Yeah, so this
Oh,
guy
okay.
right here with the
That sounds expensive.
799, you're looking at 8700K with an RTX 2080, terabyte SSD, and 16 gigs of RAM.
That sounds pretty good, Evans.
Okay, I mean, yeah. How much is it
$17.99.
for a 2080 and a Ryzen 7?
8700 with a 1 terabyte SSD.
1 terabyte SSD? Yeah, that's actually not like the worst thing I've ever heard.
Thanks, Evans. All right, Evans. Bye.
Okay, peace, dude.
Go.
That should play a game or two.
Him the little HP Envy laptop.
Oh,
I
okay.
made a video about it. It's because it was really cheap and you got like Vega 8 in it. So
Okay.
it's two.
Yeah, I needed to get the Iron Man for me.
The store's falling apart.
So immediately after this, go watch Linus, go watch Austin, go watch Dave.
Yeah, you see, I've
You've seen that guy? Okay,
Yeah.
subscribe to Linus. Are you subscribed to
subscribed to
Austin?
Plug in the channel at the same time.
Austin Jones.
No, don't watch my channel.
It's the least you can do, right?
Don't watch my channel. You won't like my channel.
Austin Evans?
Yep.
Oh, I've
Subscribe.
seen him too, but I
Subscribe to
haven't
him.
subscribed to
Dave Lee.
Oh, I don't think I've checked him
Okay,
out.
watch Dave.
Now I've got the mouse on there, keyboard, mouse pad, and then you have your little figure with the JBL headphones, plus the computer itself, monitor, and then with the computer you're going to get a free game. You gave Wolfenstein Youngblood. That's going to be in your email. Choose how you would like your receipt. That's going to be $33,640.
Cool. Here we go.
It's going to be NFC,
Yes, sir.
bottom left corner.
Moment of truth. We good?
You're good.
Level up. We did it. You got space for this?
Yeah. Yeah. Pretty sure. So you guys are just like typing to this?
Yeah, I guess so. Something like that. Tell everyone to go subscribe to Austin Evans.
Go subscribe to Austin Evans. Look at this.
Best Mac channel on YouTube.
Best Mac channel on YouTube. Everything is gonna happen. It's crazy.
Sweet. All right, dude. Thank you so much. Enjoy
I
your
appreciate
computer.
it so much, man.
Later, dude.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem.
Bye. You guys will probably like Iron Man.
Okay,
Thank you so much. Have fun, man. Are you gonna go game right away?
Probably.
All right, cool. Like today, we'll talk, shoot me a message, and then I want to see how the setup looks like.
Okay. Yeah,
Sweet.
definitely. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Quick update, Ryan did not waste any time. He got that setup up super quick, and I gotta say, it looks amazing. And the truth, I guess, continues. I prefer Windows because clearly I'm sending kids home with gaming PCs. From there, got to show my guy, Austin Evans, some love for that incredible, enthusiastic PC Master Race buying advice. I gotta use Google Maps next, so I figured I'd look something up and find him something sweet. We're gonna head west toward Yale Street. There's Yale. It's a sweet car. GarysBuick.com. I can see this being really useful if you're out traveling in a location you're not super familiar with. Just whip open maps and you got a frenzy of potential locations to check out. So we've arrived, time to grab Evans some pie. So I went in for pie, but they had these big ass cookies, like the size of Austin's head. So made the executive call to grab a 5-pack of BACs.
That's delicious. A little cold.
Thanks, Evans.
No, thank you. Oh no, what'd you do?
Make sure to share with everybody.
Everyone want a cookie? John graciously provided.
Ken gets 2. Jacques gets all of them.
Yeah.
See ya.
That's not how math works.
So while Evans is carbing up, we are almost complete. 6 out of 8. Just gotta listen to music and track a workout. So naturally, I figured, let's listen to some music during the workout. What is awesome about this watch being independent is you can connect Bluetooth headphones directly to the watch, stream music, and again, completely ditch your phone. I figured with the upcoming Tool album and finally their entire music catalog streaming, that was the only thing to fire up. Also, let me know your favorite Tool album. We might have just become best friends. Currently pre-workout, I'm sitting about 6,000 plus steps for the day. Figure I'd do about 30 minutes and get that over 9,000. Mission complete. 30 minutes and a little bit of sweat later. A little over 2 miles, over 300 calories, got over 10,000 steps for the day. What's cool with this is even though I did engage the run, there's built-in detection, so it'll detect walks and runs just in case you missed it. But overall, gotta say, pretty impressed. Again, if you want to win one of your own, drop a comment down below. Again, it's not required, but if you're excited to win, smash that like button. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Jonathan, and I'll catch you later.